Twitch implemented a new feature called featured clips. Featured clips are a new method of being discovered, for example on your mobile phone or on your profile. If I go to my profile here on Twitch, I'm gonna go to videos. We now have featured clips here. These are clips I featured myself and they'll be shown on top of your profile. I mean, we can customize layout and we can actually move them if we want to underneath live broadcasts, for example, like that. But how do we actually feature these clips so they can get here or in the discovery on mobile? We're gonna go click on our own icon here and go to create your dashboard. Then here on the left, we go to content and clips. Here we see clips of my channel and clips I've created. For my own channel, I want to be on the clips of my channel tab. Here we see filter by, recommended, featured, and all. If I click on feature, you can see which ones you have featured. These are the ones I have featured, but we're gonna go to all or recommended, whatever you want. We see a bunch of clips here that we can use. You can also always make new clips from our VODs if you want to. You can do that by going to video producer, clicking on a VOD to just watch it. And then somewhere in the VOD here, we can just click on this clip button and make a clip. This is just normally how you make a clip live as well, but you can do that in a VOD. It takes a bit, Twitch is not that fast with it, but when it loads, we can just make a clip and call it something. Then the clips will appear in here. What we can have is horizontal clips and vertical clips. Horizontal clips are just clips that you natively make in Twitch, but what you can do is you can edit and share clip, and you can make them vertical like I did here. I recommend you do that with all featured clips. This way Twitch can use the horizontal version and the vertical version whenever they want, and you can also download the vertical version so you can share that on other social media platforms. How do we actually feature this clip now? Let's say I want to get a really old one, so I'm gonna do that real quick. So I know that I haven't made a clip out of it yet. So these are really old ones. Let's see this one. I'm not sure what kind of clip this is. It's been really long. Nope. Oh my god, the 360 kill. Okay, now we can click on edit and share. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a split one. We're gonna make sure that the camera is in the right position and the gameplay is in the right position, and then we click on next. We have to wait for this clip rendering to be done. This title and description is if you want to share it to YouTube Shorts immediately. You can also download it and do that differently. You can also put them on private if you just want to change them in YouTube themselves afterwards. Okay, I'm going to click on done because it's still going, but that doesn't really matter. And now we want to have this as featured clip. We got our horizontal one, we got our vertical one, and now we're going to click on this button. This corresponds with this clip. And then featured selected. If I click on this, you will see the videos that are selected, which is this one. And I'm going to click on feature. Now, if we set this to feature, we will see that that one is going to appear in the featured section here. And here it is, bum. And we will see that it is featured now. We can also unfeature it by clicking on this and unfeature selected. I'm going to do this for this clip because it's a really old one and it doesn't really represent anymore what kind of content I make. Where these new Zelda ones and the Mario Kart one, they definitely are a little bit more up to date of the kind of content I make. If you want to download a clip, just click on this download button. If you want to download the vertical one, click on the clip, and then here you can click on download to download the vertical as well. These featured clips will automatically be featured on the mobile discovery page. You can't really have any effect other than just featuring clips in here. So I definitely recommend doing this because this gives you another opportunity to get new viewers in. It isn't a guarantee at all, but you need to take every opportunity you get because frankly, growing on Twitch is just really hard and every opportunity is an opportunity. To talk more about how to grow on Twitch, I do have this playlist right here on how to grow on Twitch. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and subscribe to my gameplay channel as well because I post very cool gameplay from games like Zelda and Escape Room Simulator. So I'll see you there.